Yeah. Or some boy a diss me when me talk, me nah go rhyme. I do me job, me just a sign. I made the girl them want to wine because the DJ now we wine because them can't come touch me style because the DJ now go to the mess, no all the same slime. Or them a try to diss me when them know we find new gear because we run all the year. The girl them play up in the year, the girl them treat you with care because the clothes are way we wear because them know say wicked man a Rasta man we nah go fear. But as the world come back,
somebody tell me now.
As the world come back,
go out to president.
As the world come back,
somebody tell me now.
As the world come back.
Bunga push the grass.
Yeah,
Bunga push the grass, yeah. The way that girl look good, me shout out. But away the grass, yeah. I could not see alone that me shout. Bunga push the grass, yeah. And we not drive round the back road, but how the grass, yeah. The girl in the gas, so I'm another round, so. But I could have con man, married man, deacon, gun. Man, they take the wrong road, we a shout it out. Could have preach up, teach up, but you lost. Senator, them take the wrong road, we a shout it out. Some lemon out, freak out, coke out, bleach out. You take the wrong road, we a shout it out. Long time them in the class, sit down and screech it out. But sing this when time they come out. Bunga push the grass, yeah. Where them gyal a look good, me shout out. But away the grass, yeah. I could not see alone that we shout. Big things are gone. You not see your keys. You not see me and the gyal them weak. Sexy than and the one in the light. Say them love how we do it. Sweet. Big things are gone. You not see your keys. You not see we have the gyal them weak. Sexy than and the one in the light. Say them love how we do it. Sweet. You not see your pure niceness a tweet. To man a get mad and a lot tear up sheet. Woman want the love in 7 days of the week. 2 weeks a good work a man we love it and all the heat. No girl out a road can't say we love sleep. And nobody out a road never catch we a creep. Girl love we start to we always need them one drive up in a the Lexus. So go down, big things are gone. And I see you keep. You know see we have the girl them the sexy than and the one in the night. Say them love how we do it. Busy, blaza. I cannot like you tell her whole a straw. Busy, blaza. Just make a girl know she not better than you. Busy, blaza. Some girl not like you, but you not like them. Busy, blaza. Hey.
When I was a young man in my prime, me a go out and stall and see them gyal they a wine. Wine pon them head top, move them waist time. Listen to the DJ and I'm your grand style. Guess me style, for make them gyal they a go answer. Say them a goody and a them run the town and them a blow man answer. But them a DB and some gyal a come around. But for make them gyal they a go answer. Say them a goody and a them run the town and them a blow man answer. And them a DB and the gyal cry for. This girl them want a man fi out them hard like a bionic. Now let me roots cause she get me erratic. Now let me earth cause that's a mic and nick. Hold on, well they them want physician. Girl them want a man fit on them in a different position. Girl them want a man from me, girl them want agony. That's why them have to find a maga boy like a me. Man with the groove and the power and the energy. Listen to me Saturday, hear me no bitterly. That's why the DJs say, what make them girl they a go answer. So them a goody and a them run the town and them a blow man answer. So them a DB and them a come and go. What make them girl they a go answer. So them a goody and a them run the town and them a blow man answer. But them a DB and y'all want me picture for free. I'm tell about that avenue, it's all about that lane. I know can me hear them just a call up my name. All of the burning sun, all in all the falling rain, come and stay. Y'all want me picture for free. I'm tell about that avenue, it's all about that lane. I know come me hear them just a call up my name. All in all the falling rain, tell us stay. Me are the first man, make you chuchu like a train. Me are the first man, make you look up for your flame. Bust out on the lane and bust up on the main. Make you get a visa to fly out on the plane. Could a finger full of ring and her neck full of chain. Fly go up and a mommy go for your Spain. The other day me come and just $20 again. And me hear 2 gyal a call up me name.
Can't hold them gyal with no one style. African change position and versatile. Can't hold them gyal with no one style. Me bro in a ceiling fi check it flow for a while. Can't hold them gyal with no one style. African change position and versatile. Can't hold them gyal with no one style. This be your rock gyal till a man little while. Tired of the one position. Tired of the same bed. Tired fi see you done and put your one for your head. Tired fi see you done quick and a come off fast. We some man a juggle too fast. She laugh. Make him know him can't control you with no cash. Well, other than the cash, you love your serial lash. Up so down so that we can call on that. So this I was a done nightmare under them girl shit. Finally me sacrifice that here. And we get slaughtered and our friend them no hot sweet. Work y'all while I make them run. And still get me street. Big talk me see when y'all run. So me go so, y'all forget work. I'm in a make it. From me that look at 20 y'all me take work. Y'all no look good, I no sex. How could I make them a y'all I can't rain them see through chest with them see breast. Now friend them find out where the y'all them best. Me pass the test and do me best. Me invest and collect interest. Nightmare under the y'all sheet. Finally me sacrifice that theory black sheep. Then take the carcass fling it on the fire gear. Y'all a cry grease, say them done. Y'all forget slaughter and them not no hot sweet. Lend them it hard, make them run like hot lead. Deal on the back fence, take the back street. Who not should I see when y'all a run? Y'all in me house and me eyes behold them. Stretch out me two loving arms and hold them. Y'all a misbehave, me take me rod and scold them. Boy, y'all straight calling out control them. Send new product and man rock up patrol them. Bring me the good girls, come in, no one to control them. Me told them, who was naked, make me bold them. Then me drive me car to Sharon and patrol them. This a nightmare under them girl shit. Finally me sacrifice that theory black me. Girl come spread out and me black me my fancy. Then I cry she don't touch you. Well then, pick up your friend and me go write few letters. Invite some girl to come down in a Jamaica. So me go check ya stand round the corner. Me fuck with me foot back the veranda. Girl a tear off me garments and a ball fi come in a me apartment. Boy, the girl them on the length and strength. Action speak louder than argument. Well, them a tear off me garment and a ball fi come in a me apartment. Boy, the girl them give me a compliment. Action speak louder than argument.
Sweet mama, sweet guru up for me honey. Any style you want it, boy, you can get it. Real baron, cats and not much Charlie. Come make me slide back, boogie. Me tell you say, sweet mama, sweet guru up for me honey. Any style you want it, boy, you can drop. Me can't do without Islam, no. Me not lucky. The door is open, so come walk for me. This you wanna hold me honey. Any style you want it, baby, gymnastic. Real baron, cats and not much Charlie. What me say? It's raining, my body's calling. I'm in need of some darling. You will want a fire, and I'm hearing baby. Come on, babe, me put it in the pina colada. I get laid in the rain. On the way, always with me. I dare not complain. My baby got me balling out from pain. But that's the way I want it, because my body must feel what me say.
Man a slip a man a slide, man a jump a man a run.
Yeah, your body hot and you a shine like the sun.
Man a watch a man a people, you a run things this year.
Yeah, true, your body ready, you a flop, girl carry.
Me have to wonder if a hotness are you calling. Make you dress up on a muzzle so since morning. Fast on the road and let enough people balling. Mount up a wide like a yarn, them yarning.
I could not believe how the man look so appalling. Girl, you look good, me I forget you for me, darling. Eyes them a glisten just like Sunday morning. Spread out the titty, eyes like the appalling.
I'm gonna heart, listen up, this is a warning. From a guy no willing to spend out the last farthing. Run for the boy, girl, you not beg no pardon. Now that me hungry, make him know you're not starving. Man a slip a man a slide, man a jump a man a run.
Yeah, your body hot and you a shine like this.
Man a watch a man a people, you a run things this serious.
Girl, you no walk in cemetery. No. Girl, you no dash when no belly. No. How you never kill none of your picnic where you fit. No. Girl, you never kill no picnic from your bandit. So y'all are coming innocently. Time alone, so my demarcated. Sing them in heaven, but they living in hell.
Sing along. Y'all want take your man chicken. Just because of you all the man them want. Just smack me girl. Them girl they never think. Your life straight while for them one slang. Tell them back a country and them fi plan. Just smack me girl. Them girl they never. Girl, you have your house and you have your land, have your own a car, and you have your van, air condition, and your ceiling fan, things are just sleeping fan, fit full of food fit yam. When some girl come from, them not have no glam, them can hold a man, them a sketch and bow, them a holding bar. You are number one.
Girls time, the sweetest time. The sweetest time. The sweetest time. The sweetest. Girls time, the sweetest time. When the sun gone in and the moon start shine, and the cassette in and the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, the sweetest time. When the sun gone in and the moon start shine, and the cassette in and the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, anyway the girl them me there. From you say girl move long time me ready. Band down faxing on me up a brandy. Telephone a ring girl want me candy. Two girl walk up and start a big war. One of them fling a big stone in a me car. But me know me and a bag of man na par. If a boy a funny body.
Whoa, we sleep now. Yes, Moses. Yes, Moses and bring down. Okay, let's clear it up now. Yo, I'm born on this block, grow up on this block. No matter fact, my name is Swing Cut on this block. Fight war for this block, went to jail for this block. Now I come back. Some punk want to take away my block, even though that's respect me, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Sing it out now, sing it out now, na 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 na.
Yeah, send up that pass and represent the Israel Sound Movement. DJ Bucky,
Yes, Moses. Yes, Moses and bring down.
No, sir, Israel Sound Movement.
Okay.
I'm with us, Israel Sound.
Yo,
the movements.
born on this block, grow up on this block. As a matter of fact, my name is Swing Cut on this block. Fight war for this block, went to jail for this block. Now I come back. Some punk want to take away my block. Even though that I walk through the valley of this block, I fear no man on this block. I fight for this block, so bomb for this block. Have the whole city locked. I die for my niggas and die for my block. Cause I'm a bad man and I don't give a damn. Bad man and this is who I am. Bad man, I hope you overstand that circumstances make me who I am. Bad man and I don't give a damn. Bad man and this is who I am. Bad man, I hope you overstand that circumstances make me who I am.
You know, party man friend we no keep, and some informer friend we no keep. Well, party man friend we no keep, and some party man friend we no, party man friend we no, party man friend we no keep, and some informer friend we no keep. Well, bona lesbian and bona freakers, we not promote them, we not support them. Gun back friend we no keep. Feel the police come through in a jeep. Well, flames for a girl we love cheap. Cause we not promote them, we not support them. Well, if a girl a take two man in a one night, then we know she's a hoe. Diggy 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 ding. Diggy 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 ding. Diggy 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 ding. Diggy diggy ding ding ding. Well, if a girl a take two man in a one night, then we know she's a hoe. If she a clean up the whole of the neighborhood, then we know she's a hoe. If she a walk and a sell from hotel to hotel, we know she's a hoe. If she a one night stand, take everybody man, I know not that can we don't know. She's a hoe, she's a hoe. You hide again cause everybody know she's a hoe, she's a hoe. So you say me spot up and everything else dirty. I man stand up for them a patsy, we no want them around. And the punk disrespect man have to put them down. Take up in the place and try to fall run this town. Watch out, make me put down some clown. Cause when me take it, they play. One man figure on them. Now for them I look on them, they say the church, they accommodate the family. Then man figure on them, tell them send them watch it. I don't tell like this is the car when me take it, they play. One man figure on them. Now for them I look on them, they say the church, they accommodate the family. Then man figure on them, tell them send them watch it. I don't
do the boo boo wine wine, boo boo wine wine, arch in the back, hold it, hold it, hold it, roll it and boo boo wine wine, boo boo wine wine, arch in the back and pioneer. Break it. Every girl for your follow Danny boo, make on bumper roll. She's a pro, TikTok, a pro, she's a pro, TikTok. Every girl for your follow Danny boo, TikTok, bang, bing, bang, bing.
All I'm pull on from the top.
TikTok, 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 TikTok.
bully position. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl a wind up to me. Bully, built up, girl is man a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, man a bedroom bully. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully,
Control the bedroom, left, center, and right, right? My daddy was a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for him and mommy. My daddy was a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for him and mommy. My daddy was a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for him and mommy. My daddy was a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for him and mommy. Then daddy bully shabba ranking mommy. Then shabba mommy have a bully baby. And the bully baby father like it was me. We a bedroom bully with a over bully. Flexible waistline and have the wine ring. Bedroom bully with a over bully. From the girly you protect your body. No two type of man will love the coochie. And the bedroom bully and Tom Dooley. Yes, two type of man will love the coochie. And the bedroom girls everything. From London, Canada and the US. Girls everything. From London, Canada and the USA. Girls everything. Go Chaba, King and the dead DJ. Never chill alone, that chill alone and walk. Come chill alone, that come from a piece of the hill. Clear them off. Chill alone, that chill alone and walk. Come chill alone, that come from a piece of the hill. Clear them off. Woman, me mind is my soul and heart. Party girl and take the sweetheart. Antoinette at the beat of me heart. Go tell the women you're not to paint. Cause me have a chill alone, that chill alone and walk. Come chill alone, that come from a piece of the hill. Clear them off. Chill alone, that chill alone and walk. Come chill alone, that come from a piece of the hill. Clear them off. Girls every day. From London, Canada and the West End. Girls every day. Girls. She wants a elderly man. I don't run her still because she's thinking about the dollar bill.
With a man nearly twice my age. Don't know what it is, but it's a hit for my youthful days. As I go my way, I don't care what people say. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age.
Come now, I go to be. She want a man we can block out the royalty. The I go to be, you know, say in that money, she don't want no lovers honey. She want the money, she don't want no lovers honey. She want the money.
Well, I tell you girls, in my youthful days, I never loved another man my age. And then the Don, he came along, made me smile all the while. He stood tall and strong, so strong, so strong.
Young man have strength, but that is nonsense. She want a man to let her recompense too. She want pay like bill and rent, and you know you have to have a think dividend. And down the line the pocket of the have length, and make sure say that your dollars are full of strength. You say
me when no one cares. Stood up for me where other men wouldn't dare. Made me know what true men love. Never made me feel these old. Never gave me love that's cold. You had better.
you say them no lotion man. And you see all of the girls that we know say them no promote no body man. But wanna back me to the max by this man. Watch me now. Me ball, woman me lotion, me no lotion man. Woman me powder, me no powder man. Woman me lotion, me no lotion man. Woman me powder, me no powder man. The man, the bugger them strong like lion. The man, them faster than a plate over land. The man, them no sit down and plan with woman, but the man them on go sit down and plan with.
Me ball, them no like me and me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them no friend. Them no like me and me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them no friend. Me come again, really good for the game man. Them me come again, really good for the informer. Them me come again, really good for the back. Them no like me and me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them no friend. Them no like me, no me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them never me come again. Really good for the game and them me come again. Really good for the informer, them me come again. Really good for the backbiter, them me come again. Really good for the sodomite, them me come again. They go really good for the game and them me come really good. For the game and them, cause I one thing me no say them no one again me come really good. For the informer, them never do too much infaming and a cause problem, me come really good. For the backbiter, them never do too much backbiting and a cause problem.
Don't tell me in the chat, you know if it's turning to the early vibes today, I want to run around the big party somewhere. So big DJ bucket up one warm up the place right now while we're going up, right? If you're in the chat, share the live.
Girl, you make me feel so right. Take me tonight. Let's make love till morning light. Baby, I like when you flash your hair. Kick off your shoe like you don't care. Kiss and caress me anywhere. I like it, babe. Those crazy days. Just deal with the case and galang bad. Make up your face and galang bad. Wind up your waist and galang bad. You know you turn me on. Take me away. Take me way up in the sky. Take me tonight. This love will never die. You make me feel so right. Take it tonight. Let's make love to the light.
But a bad man not flee. After the boy, they not stop like we.
Some only but to them a walking up and see them a fool.
Let them not see how we lock the city.
And them done a tough like we.
Bad man not flee. After the boy, they not stop like we.
Them a done to them a walking up and see them a fool.
Let them not see how we lock the city.
And them a tough like we.
The bad man now wait for night we come down. Anything we happen, make it happen and done. Now get me in and a bar or drink rum. Now let me get careless, see get
when
fun.
If you not run, when me pop up, then somebody like done. It's a DJ now.
Shout out to the Wally Youth family in the chat right now. You're all of my two favorite content creators.
After the boy, they not stop like
it's lit.
Them a done to them a walking up and see them a fool.
Let them not go.
This man locked up in a car trunk. You're the argument now.
But a bad man not flee. After the boy, they not stop like we.
Some only but to them a walking up and see them a fool.
Let them not see how we lock the city.
And them done a tough like
Bad
we.
man not flee. After the boy, they not stop like we.
Them a done to them a walking up and see them a fool.
Old school juggling for the old people, them alright. Watch them styling.
Enough for them that is open and like we call we nice.
Long time badness we say right now.
We tell the boss it's work, we not go wanna pass it twice. I walk and live, I talk and dead, now which one are your choice?
Okay.
The whole world with this a new music device. I saw we in the mid and then we not come out like lights. I hope a girl no know we have to roll them like a dice. I fire for them and
Boys Friday, each and every Friday.
Enough for them no like we through me through a slam choice. And if you love the rhythm in the ear, your hand be heist. We drop the girl teeth and that really not suffice. And if them think we done, we have to give them a stop.
So that's the I say me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on.
Oh God.
So that's the I say me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on. So that's the I say me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on. So that's the I say me for one. I don't know why you pack up and go on.
You see the fire burn.
How well we done?
Works. Fire burn up the whole game and shirt. Fire burn. And better learn. And everything out there you feel burn. Fire burn. How well we done works. Fire burn up the whole game and shirt. Fire burn. And better learn. And everything out there you feel burn. Everything is everything, we now watch nothing. Everything is everything, you can't touch me button. Everything is everything, come on now, all the button. Tell you all of them me have something. Yeah. Everything is everything, we now watch nothing. Everything is everything, you can't touch me button. Everything is everything, come on now, all the button. Tell you all of them don't get something. This is the youth, them all know some of them are echo. Plus the one who likes it, that we tell them kill echo. Stand up on the shoulder of the giants in the ghetto. Song and on the one, y'all are the anyway, the music is when I want. Some new weapons, some of them know so them make mistakes. To me I say magician, see the man sing a song. Scientists wanna jump on it. Remember why? Let me tell you something. Remember what day when me sing simmer. Every man call each year Rocky fella. But you me know say me a the girls them sugar. Wanna make mistake too? Wanna make mistake too? Yeah what? Go so bada bada, we no walla walla. What them a talk about me, the DJ never follow. Me my friend me, one style never follow. Me my friend me, one style never follow. Hey, take a lemon, the agony. Them no one nobody when drink and get junkie like. Run a marathon, run a marathon. Want a man to do it all night long.
and get junky like Vybz. Agony, agony, agony. Them no want nobody we tired easy. Yeah, yeah. Agony, agony, agony. Them no want nobody we drink and get junky like Vybz. Agony, agony, agony. Them no want nobody we tired easy. Come on, you coulda see the position. Me a put the woman in a last night. You know what people a boss. Say you know what people a fight. Son, me a put the woman in a last night. The nigga say you buy your feet right. Shoulda see we inna the candlelight. Man, you shoulda see when the bed pop.
Check. You. Yeah, man. All right.
In a traffic, you keep in the snappy up. You and the pussy, me love it, go down me drop. And the cocky, she a double, no me up. We pretty feeling, she love me, fuck you up. Then drop the pussy, me take it for down me up. More you bubble and drop it up. So me fuck you very hard, fiesta. Fast pussy in the car, direction. Rub the pussy turn around, selector. Two root, take her off, detention. Fiesta. Fast pussy in the car, direction. Rub the pussy turn around, selector.
Said you but I enough 9-9. Girl, pussy good, I can't fuck it right. But girl, that's the beach of my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Top nice, flat guns, they were fucking on the right. When do you mean to be able to show your pride? I don't fight your dream just like. Girl, if you come here, I wonder. Put your pum pum with some more on you. I even don't even know love. Guess what, me, I'm on my phone book. Pretty freak and if I scroll down, you see a picture with no wood by your board tongue. You can't fuck your lips, look at what I phone. Bubble put the body all day, you slow down. Said girl, but I enough 9-9. Girl, the pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But girl, that's the beach of my type. You don't want a body, I don't want a wife. Top nice. Flat Benz, though we're fucking on the ride. Wind on you, wind to be able to show your pride. I don't have to hide your germs, just like. But we get left coming on that. Put your pum pum good time on you. I even though I don't even know love. Guess what, my name and my phone book. Pretty freak and if I scroll down, you see a picture with my wood by your board tongue. You can't fuck, you need to look at what I pull up. Bubble pan the body all day and slow down. Set you up but enough, nah. Girl, the pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But the girl dirty girl in my type. Don't want a body, don't want a wife. Top and nice. Flat Benz, do a fucking at the ride. Why do the baby that show you pride? You know, for head, me love journey, me love slime. She love gun, man, me have a thing for bad girl. Nothing wrong, but I say nothing wrong. Now I praise myself, she know I'm wicked and tan. Fuck you, make you have to breeze the pussy with fun. Cocky dropping on your bed like bomb. Good on put your head and balance by your hand. Oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh God. Over up on the buckets of the ear, me a grab. Fuck you, this is slam your head in I sing. Them swing your pump for to make you stay in on the link. Get a cup of coach and a drink. Oh, what bug again there, dog, go ahead, take. Boots out, all of them a pop pill. Kills out, all of them a cliff. My girl, the man, drop the man, miss. You know your boy, you're bad. She broke her rules. She done she fuck her food. She get high cause she dip her mood. Bye. Hey girl, kill her with fuck. You know you my bitch, you my slut. Head off a box cause you know me think tough. Bustin' in your belly, let the fire be pop. Girl, come on me yard and have a Netflix. Cocky now your throat, make your neck creak. Max send for your next bitch. When she whine it electric. She wanna lumba, yeah. Lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah. X-rated vibes, not basic. Step out your word, I say that crazy. My dick that puts her braces. Step up, turn it up, back in our belly. Yeah, the door be up, girl, the skin clean, that I'm worth for touch. Every way I lean back, girl, it's something wrong. Like you get home. Like in your belly, you should be called out song. Daddy. Bad girl, she broke her rules. She done she a suck her food. She get high cause she dip her mood. And she a my girl, she a broke her food. She done she a suck her food. She get high cause she dip her mood. She wanna lumba, yeah. Lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah. Lumba, yeah. Lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes. We're ready.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we got something different going on
Yeah,
today,
man.
yo.
Switch up.
It's working? That good?
We good? Oh, everything good?
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
All right.
Yeah, we got a little different situation going on today, yo.
Yep.
Little switch up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like this, yo. So we got Bucket.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I'm sorry. Oh. Over there. Where the, you need a little pen to put in there. Oh, no. Oh, it's good. Oh, bet. All right. Yo, so. All right. I gotta do his part, y'all. So I wasn't here last week, so I gotta step in. Yo, now, so right now it's all about Vybz Friday, Live Vybz TV. You know it's your boy Dr. Sour.
And your boy Giannis J.
Stand in right now.
DJ Bucket.
Yes. And of course, family over here.
Yeah, you know the Durans, bro. Yeah, AKA Shot Boss.
There we go. The shot boss is what I know. That's what I go by. That's what I call him, yo. Yeah. Shouts out to everybody, man. Everybody in the chat. Everybody looking good in the chat. Everybody that was bearing with us through the technical difficulties and everything else. But man, shouts out to Jay, man. I see you with your little mix going on there, man. All right. Something. You can do everything. That's what you're trying to say. Yo. So Bucket, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping, yo. I'm used to you being right here. That's crazy, yo. Yo, first and foremost, man, let's kick it off the right way, yo. Cups in the air. Everybody cups in the air, yo. Bucky, what you doing, man? Nah. What's this water shit, yo? Right there. Yep.
But it's a blessing either way.
Yeah,
you know, yeah, man.
Take that shot. That's a shot.
No, you're crazy.
Bucky won't make it through the show. Nah, ain't no cups around. All right. In the meantime, while he doing that everything, I'm gonna give a shout out to the sponsors, man. Shouts out to Anonymous Exotics, man. I love that. Yeah, good job. He doing good right now, yo. He doing good. Yo, shouts out to Anonymous Exotics. Shouts out to Mazzaronis. Big shouts out to All In Podcast Network, man. Mr. All In, man. Producer / DJ 9 Vybz.
Yes. Yep.
And I'm gonna go ahead and say it now. We're gonna talk about it again later, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it now. Shouts out to the big party tomorrow, yo. The big event, that's tomorrow, right? Yeah, tomorrow, yeah. Bro, I'm thinking today, Thursday, for some reason. I don't know why. I just said it was Friday, man.
That's because you missed yesterday's meeting.
That's what it was. All right, well, you know the big event tomorrow. But you got a cup now? Yeah. All right, you gonna pour a drink or you gonna what's? Oh, it's okay. All right. It's some drink in there, yo. Don't go crazy, yo. Y'all Jamaican, man. The Ray ain't nothing for y'all, man.
Special, isn't it?
All right, yo. Let's try this again, yo. Cups up. Everybody cups up, yo. Please, yo. There you go. You already know, man. I wasn't here last week, but I was here in spirit last week.
Yeah, but he take a little vacation.
Something like.
So we was here last week and we're here again this week. So for that we thank the Almighty. And again, we're special, I guess, for brother. And tomorrow, hopefully we get to this tomorrow. See if we can deal with that start. Yeah?
Yes, son.
All right, cool. Now we can get to the chill shit, yo. My fault. I was all on business and everything. We can get to the real chill shit now, man. Bucket.
Yo.
How was your week this week, man?
It was good, actually. Same thing I always like me said every time. Same thing. Nothing changed. Just bless. You see? Yeah, man. Just work, come home, cook, sleep. Yeah, man. Day in, day out. Not trouble people not trouble me. Yeah, man. Stay out of the way, stay in my lane. Yeah, that part there. Yeah, man. But good, man. Been a good week. Glad to say it.
That's a good
yeah, man.
I'm happy for that.
Yes, sir.
Sure, boss. How your week was, man?
Sharp, boss.
The week was good, you know. Activity, activity, as you know, to the party and forward the
When is your actual born day? Yeah. Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you bringing it in?
Yeah.
You bringing it in.
Mm-hmm.
Official birthday.
Mm-hmm.
But through the week, you know, that go a couple trap meet that on the track.
Okay. How she do? She do good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up.
She just get into it, so the sore legs.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know, track.
Yeah, part of the
and
game.
You don't realize how much you running you really got to do when you do track. You really got to run all the time. That's all right. Like you get it, but then you like doing it. You like, damn, I'm still running.
All of that, and regular situation, everything. Give thanks today, tomorrow, the thing
already.
Yep.
Without feet,
Sky Lounge, right?
Have fun,
Mad City.
Vibes there, a shot dog and the Colors family.
That's a fact.
Everything up, you understand me?
Means over the side.
Yeah, man. Being there, said speed.
Jay, how was your week, man?
It's been a week.
It's been a week?
Yeah, man, but
oh yeah, you back over them buildings now.
Yeah, I tried it.
You tried it?
Yeah, I tried it.
You said you didn't know if you was going back.
I tried it.
All right, how it was?
It was cool. I made an attempt, but now I'm just a little over it. But it's cool though. It got better as the ending of the week came. Starting it up was.
Weather about to get nicer too, though. That's the other part.
Yeah.
That's what's gonna make it easier too.
Mm-hmm.
As long as it don't get too hot, because we all the way up there.
Yeah.
All the sun on the
Y'all right
glass.
in front of the sun.
With the sun as much with the cold.
Yeah. Can't hide from
sun
nothing.
hitting off the glass too, that make it even more hot.
Ooh.
So, but yeah, my week was straight though. But
y'all from tropical area, man. You good?
Yeah, but
Well, nah, but that's not it. That's not
get the
it.
sun magnified.
Yeah.
We say we there now. Like we say Vybz Friday, and tomorrow if we get to the star, the DJ line up again. Look at Kirk, DJ Maestro, DJ Dynamic, and Charismatic.
Yeah, that lineup crazy,
Yeah.
yo. That lineup is
a
crazy.
lineup.
Like we say a Sky Lounge at the event, and any ticket, any information you can link in on Durans page, Live Vybz page. Anybody in our Live Vybz family,
Any of us, yo.
Nicolas family, you can link in and get the tickets and information for tomorrow night. But forward early, because you know where you go once you hit a certain time. So just get there early.
Tomorrow, I only one ticket spot I go walk man and carrying.
Yeah. And that's on, what's it? 507. Yeah, 507 Charlie Ave.
Yeah.
For Corinne. Get your tickets there. That's the only place you can get tickets tomorrow for the event.
Yo, I got a question, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been waiting to ask this question to you and everything, yo. So, what's on the menu tomorrow? that's where I'm at with it, yo.
Yeah, you know the menu audience on the
Exactly. What's up, man?
What we have planned for the menu?
You got no surprises or nothing?
No. So we are gonna just work with the thing.
All right. I'm there for the food. I'm there for the party too.
Yeah.
No, it's a party too. It's a party too, but that food. That food. That food though.
But yeah, man, food is a must, man. Feed the people.
I already know.
So we have freestyle on Friday,
Yeah.
Like the technical, them kind of throw you off from the music and thing and all that. But like I said, we there freestyle and mainly I promote tomorrow night. So other than the week and all of that, what else we look forward to for tomorrow?
Oh, for tomorrow?
You see with the DJ lineup, you know what they might pull out tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, but look.
Why you whispering? The mic right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Everybody heard that.
No, but look who was it?
Yo,
who was it?
Look. As a foodie, you see in the chat. What's the menu? I feel that.
You know what menu? You eat.
Yo, that food.
You
You
eat
gotta come and
everything.
see. You gotta pull up and see, yo. For real.
She eat everything. I am the chef.
You know, whatever they on the menu, it's a good enough.
I the host of the chef.
Yeah.
I the host
Right,
of the
host
chef.
and chef.
Yeah.
Yes, curry chicken and jerk meat, man. And mac and cheese. Jerk meat bar. So don't, you know, you don't even need the pause for that.
Yeah.
Yo, Jay is dope, yo.
We said jerk meat. What? But yeah, Kenny, I'm gonna make me know where that go. And tell me. Yeah. So he's a food connoisseur, so.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yo. So
Uncle Busy that cut. Are you the show they want to see, you know? To the people who want to see you in the chat, you know?
This thing's stupid, yo. Yo,
what's it like that?
So then,
all right, no.
You said it's a freestyle shit, right? We just freestyling right now,
we're
right?
freestyling.
All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta ask everybody this, yo, cause I done asked a few of y'all already. We done talked about this, yo. But Bucket, I ain't talked to you about this yet, man.
What's up?
It's been a lot of controversy in the music world right now, in the music industry, yo.
As I need.
Really?
Who you siding with, man? What sides you taking with everybody, yo?
with everybody.
Have you heard all of the diss tracks and everything? You caught up with everything?
Oh, that. Okay. Well,
Are you
Drake,
caught up with all of the diss tracks and everything?
Kendrick and Drake. Well, me hear them.
J. Cole bitched up, but we ain't gonna talk about that, yo.
Yeah, but yeah. Yes, post it and then I think he said soon delete later or something like that. And he actually did. So probably it's a game plan when we have in mind where you never know.
We gotta talk about him, man.
Yeah. Next thing.
He out of it.
Alright. What I say?
Chris Brown, Quavo.
Oh shit, say I'm gonna start that one day, you know. I'm gonna start that. No, I'm gonna start.
Yo, Chris Brown snapped on Quavo, yo.
But me say, Chris Brown I go on with that thing. Yeah, I go on, man. But
Quavo put out a 2 tracks by now. He got what was it? He got a diss track and then he got a track with Takeoff on it.
Yeah, I think I heard about that. Yeah, I think I heard about that for real.
Yeah.
Need for listening to that.
Yeah, you gotta catch up.
Yeah, I gotta catch up. But no, I go on, but
Chris Brown got the best
music,
one out right
new
now.
music release every day.
Oh, that's Molly. Molly said Chris Brown Breezy got the best one out. I see you, all right. Shouts out to Molly, man. Stoner Brothers. I see you, bro.
You stupid. But Quavo one sound decent same way.
Yeah, but
Quavo song with Takeoff is trash. If it wasn't for Takeoff on it, he proved what Chris Brown said. That if it wasn't you, the weakest link, yo. Damn. Everybody wish it was you instead of Takeoff. That was fucked up. Yeah, because he couldn't do it by himself. Yeah, man, you couldn't do it yourself. That's like you warn with somebody that you got to go get a cartel track. You got to get a cartel track with you, man. Like, come on,
and plus,
man.
all of them from the same camp. So, Migos, so.
Nah, man. And I feel like he gone. That's the other part. He gone. And I can see if Chris Brown came at Migos in a general. Like if he came at all of the Migos, then I get that. But he came at Quavo. Yeah.
No, but the thing is, Chris Brown can rap, people just prefer him as a singing guy. Yeah. No, trust me, Chris Brown can rap. He just prefer to the singing party side, But when it comes to, spitting, trust me.
What you
do got bars?
No, man, I said more side this beef is a woman,
Yeah, that's what
keep saying.
I mean, Chris Brown is even though he the darkest light skinned dude that I ever seen, but he's still a light skinned nigga at the end of the day, yo.
Yo, all of this is behind and make Diddy escape.
That's what it is.
If you tap a bunch of distractions and find Diddy, where is Diddy? And if you get him off the streets, so
they say Diddy in Miami at the movie theater with his kids.
Make the streets safe again.
Get Diddy out of here.
Yeah, him blood clot.
They not concerned with Diddy, yo. If they wanted to catch Diddy, they would have had him already, yo.
Yeah, man, send the body police to Diddy.
Diddy and him bridging them a bit.
Yeah, they would have got him already. Because there's no way.
Best believe them now, comfy.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's no way. You must have blackmail tape you run off with and run up on people.
It's got to be more. They need more, yo.
Right now.
They need more.
You think that you watch it?
They must need more, yo.
Enough people can hide it. Like them say, enough evidence against people.
Yeah, Diddy. Yeah, he got he knows some shit about everybody. He probably got receipts on a lot of people, yo.
Yeah, he do.
All that too.
He got a lot of receipts, yo.
All that too.
Yeah. He been on top for a long time. Mm-hmm.
And you never go on a Diddy party?
Nah, bro. Dang, cause I've been at a few parties. Why you ain't ask Beans that question? Dang, we was at the same parties. Dang. Hey, man, I ain't never been to no Diddy party.
You know the craziest thing? P Diddy forward Pancola's ends in a Jamaica them time they with Cassie and
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We have a picture and video of being through a long time. Remember when Colors Friday used to keep remember time what that man? Yeah. P Diddy pull up dog.
Damn.
On the ends is a van load and a bus load them come and be a police.
Oh, I bet.
For one of my brother's birthdays, a big baller, you know.
Yeah.
He had to have money for Diddy to pull up. Damn.
Oh, but
Diddy pull up, Virgin. Cassie and the whole of them. All of them in the place. The whole of them in the place.
Damn.
Yeah, they chat and Ray and be a boy when I be a policeman. But yeah, them time they be a shit will have one. Look, we know people that's excited for Diddy, you know guys.
yeah.
People are saying, yo, Diddy pull up in
We knew he was weird, but we didn't know it to the extent. I feel like we always knew Diddy was on some weird shit, but we just thought it was the money that had him weird. Yeah. That's what it was like.
It was actually all of them. I mean, it's still an allegation.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I don't want to point no fingers at nobody, man. Yeah.
You don't want no blood clot, you know, bias like what? I didn't hear him say that about R. Kelly and Bumbo Clot because
bro, we knew we knew what R. Kelly was doing though, and we accepted
everybody
it.
are telling you what did he do, so we're not come talk about
bro, R. Kelly was married to a 15-year-old, yo. And we knew that. We knew that.
Everybody said Diddy been diddling.
That's true.
Yeah.
I was talking about the that No Diddy song that Gucci Man came off. Y'all didn't hear that shit yet. Make sure y'all go listen to that. That No Diddy song that Gucci Man had. That song is funny as a bitch, yo. And the fact that they don't even use pause no more, that everybody really just say No Diddy now, it's crazy. It's crazy, yo. Oh, you better find that shit? Oh, okay, here we go. All right, so who you got in Drake and Kendrick?
And that's it.
Drake, I feel like Drake 2 up right now.
Drake,
Drake 2 zip right now.
But I said Drake. Brother, I didn't hear Kendrick in that, but Drake, I don't know. Oh,
No Diddy.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Well, the song with me here, Kendrick make. Well, it sound good, yeah. It sound like a party song, but when me hear push-ups, brother.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brother, me hear it, man. Yeah, man. Push-ups.
It is a party song, just like you said.
And Drake make it like a damn party song, too.
But I mean, what did he do? He did the same thing with the Meek Mills with Back to Back. Back to Back turned into a party song, yo. And that was a crazy diss track.
Dick track, yeah.
That was crazy, yo.
Yo.
That's with them this tune there. Sometimes you have one, them just use it and just publicize it because it's so good.
Yeah.
It's like a diss so you can vibe to
it
and it catch on. So some of the diss them
some of they get lost. They get lost. You're like, all right.
Look at them party song. But the thing is, what you must say in
that's
that
how
song.
That's how that track would what's the one that Pusha T when he exposed Drake having a kid? It changed the game for him, but don't nobody remember that song like that. That song lost, yo. Yeah. But we remember that we know Drake got a kid now. Yep.
For real, man.
He was gonna tell people what he felt like it. Nah, you ain't gotta hide your kid, bro. The world gonna expose your kid anyways. The way media is nowadays, they're gonna expose that shit at some point.
Yeah, somebody gonna find something. Somebody gonna come up with something. Especially when it's so popular. And very much secret they have. Exactly. If it's a great line, see, you can prove it again.
Yep.
What money did he have?
Yep. Yep.
If they walk a straight line, somebody will come here, come and forward.
Somebody.
Yep.
I feel like Drake been, to me personally, I feel like Drake been, the music that Drake been putting out, Drake is a subliminal dude. He be mad subliminal with the stuff that he be saying and everything. Like he always got some stuff, some other stuff, read it between the lines type shit that he say.
Mm-hmm.
But I also feel like it's I feel like he coming out with some shit that I didn't expect him to come out with, yo. Like the way he trolling Kendrick and everything, like he keep dropping tracks.
But that's a Drake thing that
Mm-hmm.
That's his style. That's just how he do.
If you go more blood track, too much people talk about it. You have no right thing to do. You can't just make one track and everybody else say, Kendrick hard.
Yeah.
Kendrick been a drop track, so
Kendrick waiting for. I told you that Taylor Swift drop got Kendrick pushed back a little bit.
you need to relax and not stop it. But this is a song for ready. I know Diddy this Gucci man.
Yeah, no Diddy. And they remade the whole video from him and Biggie video.
We getting high on the kite, no dealer. See my artist double plat, no dealer. Sipping on yak, no dealer. Couple niggas got wet, no dealer. Keep the shoes with the scrap, no dealer. I'm in a room full of hoes, no dealer. More money, more problems, no dealer. Couple friends turn bros, no dealer. We getting high on the kite, no dealer. See my artist double plat, no dealer. Sipping on yak, no dealer. Couple niggas got wet, no dealer.
That's wild, yo. Couple niggas got wet, no Diddy. That's wild.
What?
He said no Diddy. He said no Diddy.
Song a mad song, man.
No Diddy. She on the pills and the coke, no Diddy. I keep a mule for the dope, no Diddy. Damn it, dancing on my chest, no Diddy. When I blow a nigga car, up like he goods. I'm on the yacht, taking shots, no Diddy. Pepper top from the thigh, no Diddy. Some niggas wanna boss me, I'm not 50. But get a nigga ass touched like big, no Diddy.
Yo, he was wild for this, yo.
Who is supposed to be in there?
Diddy and Biggie. That was a music video that they had. This whole thing is a music video that they had. This whole scene was from their music video. This nigga said we in a room full of hoes, no Diddy. Gotti always strap no Diddy. That's wild. That's wild. Nobody understand my dish because your whole team sound like the Detroit pitch. Got a jerk on my wrist, we can't go out like Diddy. Put the wig off a bitch, we can't go out like Diddy. And I just woke up with a monitor and the bed with big titties. We don't make a bitch still look pretty, no Diddy. Getting high on the kite, no Diddy. See my artist double plat, no Diddy.
Song a true, man.
Yeah, higher than the kite, no Diddy. I said this song alright, yo. This song ain't bad at all, yo. That song is fire, yo. I ain't gonna lie. That song alright. That song is alright, yo.
Not bad.
Do that count as a diss track though?
No, not really. No. They're more lyrical than that.
That's just the song. Yeah. I feel like that Wally and Ghetto. The Wallow and Gilly shit. I feel like that was a shot. All talk,
like
yeah.
all-
Yeah, I feel like that was a little mini shot in there. I do feel like that was, and I didn't even hear that until just now. I heard that song twice, and this my third time hearing it. I didn't hear that till just now. That was I definitely feel like that was a little shot. But other than that, like the no Diddy part, that's just like just saying no. Like they said, that's like saying no homo now, yo. Like it ain't even.
Basically.
It's not even a shot at Diddy no more. It is, but it ain't. That's wild. That's wild.
Me give it a 7.
Was that a 7?
Yeah.
That was catchy beat, man.
I definitely give it a 7, yo. I feel like 7 work.
That's all I think right. I know something catchy.
We gonna hear it in the club. Somebody gonna play that in the club here or there, yo.
Yeah.
I can hear that getting dropped in the club, yo.
Yeah.
And it got like you said, it's catchy. It's catchy.
Diddy area right now.
Blood clot, yeah. Me a run for him.
Anything you put on that Diddy area. Yo, you better try a thing.
Diddy era. That is crazy.
Diddy era.
Man says that Diddy era. Me nah nice. Not a blood clot. That shit catchy already.
Look, see, you on it. Look, he can't. It's stuck in your head now.
They play it enough.
Mm-hmm. You already know how that shit go. Yep, you know how that go already. Now, we got the big party tomorrow, man. We got the big party tomorrow, man. Sky Lounge, selling out fast. It's only one place to get the tickets right now, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, actually, there's only one place that's gonna be able to get them tomorrow. Where they at again?
Chai Karen's Kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
507 Chai Avenue.
Cross from the old bank.
Yeah.
So, and you have to get there early, because after a certain time, she go close. So, say on Saturday, So, ticket them where she have. Eat that first come, first serve.
Oh yeah, then it's over.
But no problem. If you don't get the ticket, they can pay at the door. Come in and come.
But you gotta get there early. If you're paying at the door, you better get there early.
Yeah, more at the door, of course. Ticket will out there. You can DM me. Get the ticket for tomorrow. That out of the question.
Sure.
Black box.
So just bar with a current kitchen and get to the ticket. Otherwise, just pull up at the door early. Live vibes in the building and everybody.
Our camera and video light and all these things.
Oh yeah, we there. We damn sure there.
Yeah, man, Sky Lounge, you know the place to be.
Speaking of Sky Lounge, yo, I did get the text earlier, man. May 11th, that's Sky Lounge Crowd Control.
Yeah,
That's Dixon and the whole family. Yeah, Fire Kid, JK, you right? Yep. Shouts out to Power Squad. Shouts out to Fire Kid, man. What is it? CDF? I think they calling it CDF Collective. The City Nights, Dixon and the Union, and Fire Kid Productions. So CDF, shouts out to them, man. So that's going on May 11th. Crowd Control. Make sure you're there for that, man. Yeah. Sky Lounge got it going on right now, yo. Sky Lounge is where it's at. I saw they got a day party too coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta see him. I can find that room. I know I can find it. What do you say? May 26th?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Sunday. It is a Sunday. Yep, May 26th. Sorry.
Outdoor thing. Skyline? Yeah, Skyline. It's probably they want to do it in the parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
So they're going to block it out. I use the parking lot. So they're going to shut it out from the driving? Yeah.
Yep.
But use the blue thing, like blue, cabana or whatever.
Yeah, they said they rent cabanas and all of that.
But I think you have the day before that, you have Rasta Mike. Yeah, Rasta Mike.
Oh man, it's that time already.
Yeah.
Oh man. What? That's gonna be at Sky Lounge too.
Yeah, that's gonna be at Sky Lounge.
All right.
Rodney from New York City.
Yeah, that's that, man. So I be a Vybz, the street.
Yeah, May 25th. You right? I got
Really
you.
But the vibes are whatever card.
different different week, I get different things. You see, last
Yeah,
week,
it's all different.
I get liberty, I get the big people. Them, you understand, man? Big people, them come out and enjoy themselves. This week now, you go get everything.
A mixture.
But more, yeah, but mostly, you know the thing already. The upbeat style.
Then they got May 3rd, Rhythm and Blues.
Yeah.
You got that shouts out to Pablo, man. Yeah, that's how Sky Lounge. Sky Lounge giving all types of different stuff, man. Oh yeah, bitch. That's how the Ghetto, man. That's Ghetto. When Ghetto birthday?
Party's May 3rd, Friday.
Next Friday, all right. That's a Sky Lounge as well?
California Brew House.
Oh, that's a brew house. Oh yeah. I forgot to keep it. Yeah, brew house been popping lately.
Only for party already. Yeah, so we got someone come up, man.
With people.
Yeah. The nice weather here, yo. That's how you know it's nice, yo.
See my skin get back, you know, we can't go outside this summer. I stay in Colombia. Outside. We stay in Colombia. Me driving, I can't stay in AC. You don't know.
Some of them, if we have more of them outside parties still.
Yeah, I remember when.
Like a change for the thing, yeah?
Yeah.
The Durans party June.
Regular night.
I don't know if y'all went to the time when Dixon and them threw that cooler party out by the beach.
Man,
that shit was so dope, yo. Oh man. Yo, that was one of the best parties I think I've been to in Rochester, yo. That shit was so nice. I mean, recently, I'll say that in the last few years, yo. Cause that shit was so, it was just a vibe, yo. Everybody, you bring your cooler. We had like 3 coolers full, yo. Red Stripe, fucking champagne. You know I come with alcohol anyway. so we had the coolers full. And just everybody just came outside just vibing, yo. It was. Yeah. Nah, it was just cool. You bring a cooler, fuck it. Nah. Yeah, I think it was called the Igloo Party, but niggas just brought whatever. They just brought whatever, yo. It was 2 years ago.
Oh, I miss it. Sorry, after that, yo, no, the host, no, man. I'm
the host?
Oh yeah, Bucket been talking rap controversy, music,
Sorry.
Turn it up.
Sorry, sir.
Bucket, what you want? You got any subjects you want to talk about, man? You got nothing? I feel you, bro. I ain't mad at you.
Give my subject.
About the action tomorrow by your Vybz. You work tomorrow?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yeah, man. Come on.
You coming to work? You coming to go to work? You about to work tonight?
Yeah.
You bringing your laptop, you mean?
Oh, God.
Oh, your laptop always there.
I always bring my laptop with me.
Nah, you coming to party, yo.
Nah, man, get out 5 o'clock done, man. So,
oh, you got plenty of time.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah. So Bucket with the Live Vibes team tomorrow night, yo?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
everybody in full attire. But something full. Where you say videographer. Everything we have camera from all angles. No Diddy.
Every ghetto is a star.
Yeah.
So
flashing lights.
Forward at the building. You know me, I say the ghetto girl them too.
But don't get an attire.
Yeah, not in there.
Yeah.
Or behavior, that's a fact.
And that's one of the number one thing. Sky Lounge, so nice, right? You know, because it's a place, a decent place. It's a make it look good and thing when people dress up and come out. We need the bullshit, you know. I say people just want to have fun. So all of the people that want to have fun, just stay home. Yes, stay in your living room or whatever you want to do, just bring it there. You know, just party and have fun.
That is
that will work, you know.
That's a fact.
come on, violate again. Discipline. Yes, man. Remember we want you from early.
Crux him out, man.
Yeah. Understand me? So it's an umbrella thing, you know. You know if you don't know about it, you know, but you see me? Yeah. You violate under the umbrella. Yeah. Everybody assist you are the troublemaker.
That's a fact.
That is it.
Well, I think it's time we can call it, man. You got some music lined up, man?
Yeah, we have
Since
the international DJ.
Rum Boss International in the building.
They just walk in. You know which flight them just flying off.
Oh, they just, yeah.
They don't know which flight them flying off.
You were supposed to go pick them up.
Miami,
Tampa, they was in Tampa. They was just in Tampa. I should have asked about their week. They was just in Tampa. They was in Toronto. I thought I saw a clip. They was in France. I didn't know what was going international, yo. Right. They international, yo.
Let's still local, isn't it? When I reach outside the US yet.
So y'all was in Tampa, right, for the Suns Out Buns Out?
Yeah,
they got down
we
there,
was
right?
in. You know, we went down to Tampa for the Suns Out Buns Out.
How was that, yo? I see some video. It looked crazy, yo.
I could say I've been to I haven't been to all of them. I've been to probably about 4 of them. A good 4 of them. And this one, I could say, he had full attendance. I don't know if it was full attendance, but from my eyes, it looked like full attendance. I think Rochester was probably, y'all was probably bored for the whole week last week. Like, y'all was probably bored last week.
I wasn't here, though, so I don't know. I wasn't here.
It's mad people I didn't even know that lived in Rochester was down there. Yeah. First time me I see that, isn't it? Yeah. First time ever. Yeah, man. Like, it was nice. It was nice. I could say that. Shout out to Booby. Shout out to Booby, you know. You know.
He know how to bring him out, yo. I always say I gotta give him respect for what he did, man.
In town and out of town. He know how to do his thing, you know what I'm saying? Strictly business on vibes. Strictly business on vibes.
So now, do you feel actually was DJing a party? Because that's what I saw. I saw.
Yeah, you know it's a whole nother side, yes. But boom. So let me tell you this. A lot of people might have think, all right, we was probably booked or whatever the case is. Nah, we went down there. Yeah, I tried to reach out and stuff, as underground, coming up in the game and stuff. But it was more so. I ain't bashing nothing Booby say, as a businessman, he said the right thing, come out to one of my events and, show me what you guys got. We never was able to do that. We realized the time was getting closer. We seen, okay, DJs were on there already. Everything's all set. It was like, yo, I told him as a manager, I'm like, yo, we gonna go down there and I'm gonna make something happen for us. Reached out to Dynamic, reached out to JK. They both said, yo, as long as we there, y'all good. Bring your laptop. We're going to make something happen. Shout out to JK and Dynamic.
Yeah, man.
Say that.
They will give, they
shout them out.
Love.
So,
we
got down there. We waited till, a day in Jamaica because, of course, we're the Jamaicans.
Yeah. True.
We don't really want parts, not everything else. Yeah, make everybody else go have their fun. So, a day in Jamaica. JK played. They have 2 other Yankee DJ player, them a talk about, Jamaica this, Jamaica that. Dynamic play, Dynamic versatile, so, and get a little bit of the reggae, a little bit of hip-hop, R&B, dancehall, and then, man, set we up in a one nice spot. Drop one Jamaican tune, then turn it over to Rum Boss, Shelly place. Show them how we party in Jamaica.
Yeah, true.
Show them how we really party in Jamaica. All the DJ them where did I talk about Jamaica this, I feel, stand back and look to, isn't it? But, at the end of the day, we have to give thanks. That's some unruly thing we got on the pond still. So, regardless of what, bro, we spend more money, we want our money come down here. Airbnb, flight, car, food, all of them sitting there, isn't it? But we don't make nothing back our fight. I tell you that straight. Isn't it? I tell them that straight. We don't make nothing our fight. It's just we're trying to get our name out there. We really want the people to see the vibes. Isn't it? See the work we are trying to put in, Just get familiar with it. I don't really, and it's not always about the money. We enjoy what we are doing.
They ain't pay him until they got back. That's what it was.
Yo, no, we love what we doing, man. We love what we are doing.
what you do?
That niggas did kill that
shit. You bet by yourself.
Yeah.
Nah, I respect that, yo. That's a fact. Promotion is always a beautiful thing, man. You gotta promote yourself.
You gotta do it. Yeah,
man. Out there on the show, on the work, and the talent, you know.
But you know what makes me so excited? Watch Heat Boat another
Moon Tireless.
Before you see my next video where the train out of plane window and plane out.
Look, see?
Hey, not telling too much of them, bro. Yo. Manager, go put in your place, you know, bro. Yo. You soon take female, you know, bro.
Good, man.
But yeah, man, time, experience, and, you know, teamwork at the end of the day. At the end of the day, I could never do none of this by myself. You know?
True.
Even though I'm in name Rumbass, a Rumbass Entertainment, that is DJ Rumbass himself. But, you know, I mean, you know, try and make everything happen behind the scenes. But, you know, me have a team as well, so. And then also associated with Live Vybz TV. So, you know, big push that's so as well.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, man.
Oh,
hold on.
You good? You want water?
Nah, I'm good. I gotta ask you this question too, though. Because I ain't asked these niggas yet either, yo. How you feel about the rap controversy right now, yo?
Shoot.
Who you siding with? Breezy. All right, see, he called it. He called it. Breezy, yo.
I mean, was there any response set to Breezy?
There was too.
It wasn't. I ain't been keeping up with it too much. I'm not gonna be controversial.
By itself, it wasn't good, but Takeoff verse made it good. Even though it wasn't Takeoff, but he proved Breezy's point though. The fact that Takeoff verse made it good, that's what proved his point.
But if he got it, he got it.
And don't you think they all trying to beat because they're trying to hide it?
To be honest, because the whole of them are parts in that. The whole of them.
Kevin Hart getting caught in that shit now.
I believe that. You believe it? I believe it. Yo, you can't tell me say Kevin Hart now looking funny. Other than him being, you know, comedy funny. Bro, other than him being comedy funny, you can't tell me say I'm not looking funny.
Yeah,
probably. Right. It really sound crazy.
It sound honest. And it did the party you go and it passed after 12, but you not go home.
You know what you sign up for.
End up in the bar.
Well, you got money like that too?
Yeah.
Ain't no telling.
I go to the party, but I know when to leave.
Yeah, that's a fact. That's how I feel about it, yo. Like, I'ma show up. I'ma be like shit, nigga. Yeah, I'll be there. You know I'm about to go to that shit, yo. But as soon as I see some wild shit happening, I'm out. I'm out.
Nah, fuck that. Like, niggas inquisitive. Niggas be like, wait.
Nah, I think it's too wild.
Yeah, they be trying to see.
I think it's too wild.
Is really what I'm seeing? Like,
especially if there's a girl there.
Yeah.
I'm not participating.
If it's a girl that they trying to get to, all
I'm not participating.
I'm not participating.
But still, for you watch it, that still have some questioning.
Yeah, right. They still want.
You still have some questioning. Forget.
Nah, I ain't that inquisitive though. I'm out. I ain't gonna lie. I'm out.
You know what you're saying.
As soon as it get too much, I'm good. I'm going.
What is too much?
It's mine now.
You kidding?
Huh?
What do you mean too much? What is too much?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, I can't no body shit. I can't deal with no fucking As soon as Freak Mills walk in the building, I'm out. I'm be honest with you, yo. I'm gone, yo. I can't be there no more, yo. But nah, I don't know. I don't know. As soon as some weird shit like outside of my domain, yo, like once you get outside of my domain of weird shit, I'm like, yo, I'm good. Nah, I can't.
God.
Oh nah, bruh. I'm out. Y'all can holler at me later, yo. We can talk about it in the group text.
This is your believing party once they start by drinks.
Oh, I'm definitely out.
Yeah, man, cause sitting in that. Sitting in that, man.
No, it's not buying.
That's like you about to set the drink
even
Bill
buy
Cosby
drinks and
too?
just send out the drinks.
Them say lace up and up.
Yeah, you did. Bill Cosby, you gonna get Bill drink too?
Yo,
and drink.
he got them type of parties where you got to take an entry shot. You can't get in unless you take that shot.
And sign an NDA. As soon as you tell me I gotta sign an NDA to go to a party,
hell no. You know
like
what's up.
I'm good. I'm good, yo. And that's where the point. That's why I draw my line at,
You
yo.
know some shit I got. Wait,
Yeah, cause what me have to sign papers for figure out one part.
Yeah, like bro, what happens here stays here. I can't even talk about it in the group text, nigga. We can't even talk about it in the group text because it's
between you and him.
It's you and him, yeah.
Anything else out of that, where anything
lawsuit,
can't answer. But if it's like a crime or something like that,
yeah,
that nothing to do with it.
Am I sue you for freedom of speech?
I mean.
And
you signed
if you signed it off,
if you signed
off your freedom of speech, yes.
Well, I can't get sued for that.
If you sign away your freedom
if you
of speech,
sign it off, then you can't say nothing. You can't come back and say nothing then. If you say something now, then you're in a trouble. Hey, that's why I didn't say if you read the fine print.
But as I'm saying,
but it's statute of limitations. Like it's time.
Not a crime.
It's time. Yes, it can be a crime. Yes. If they're not injuring or anything like that, yeah.
You understand me?
But they just doing some wild, freaky shit. You can't say shit.
You do some crazy design. The fence bigger than this. That's between you, you know?
I thought Suge Knight was a beast.
It's over.
Once the DJ announced we out.
I'm gone.
Alright, man. What's good, man? Let's get some music, man. Some tunes, man.
Nowadays, here on boss.
Get him a further. You want to get him a further, man? Yeah, get him a.
Nowadays, here on boss.
Real quick. We got the whole story, man. Last Friday of the month, man. Shouts out to Sean Dog. We got the event tomorrow. Hold on, one second. I already know what it is tomorrow night, man. Oh, God.
The place to be tomorrow evening.
Leviticus 20 verse 13. Say any man that lie down is a dead man. After that, I could have died. They have this back not their life with a ring. We now go fuck no man. I know them thing they down. Talk about all over the man. No, we fuck the baby man. Say me, so what's the name? When the club's full of man, put the club off on me. I feel the same that I try off on me. I feel the same that I try off on me. I'm not in street times, so she hung off on me. I'm not in any time, I'm not on me. Send me up in the bed, I'm not on me. It's like coming, no, last time. She said, let me go, try on me. Hear me, I'm you know why we no best friend? We no best friend at all. You see me around boss and DJ. I want like me, we no care. We no guys, we go fly, no shed a tear. Please out and the girl, them a enemies. All of the Caribbean people, they start to know. Who not need a man, they friend. You know who can't stay down here. Who not a man, who no party. Why you not that kind of daddy? You don't have no daddy. You get that new class, the daddy. As a Jamaican, you see when me touch road, I have one thing to believe in. Watch out. Real bad man, I'm a girl in a shot. See your jeans, just have foot back. Everybody got the arms, so we get my class. Everybody got the arms, so we get my class. The leather wall, the sweet soft. Toothbrush get out, the no spot. Anybody wants a free cartel tonight? Check it. What's a free cartel? Already know, man. All my wellness at my fans. Everybody we for the one. But anyway, don't say who fi say. Gaza me say. When me say who fi say. Gaza me say. On the Gaza, we say life over there. Gaza say ganja no cook with no tape. Gaza young pussy fluffy like a carpet. So no boy can't put no icky on me there.
Like me did tell them in a Florida. You see, even though we did that Florida, a one place we forward a Florida to represent, and that's a New York. Watch this.
Me and see up to the time, them know see a Vybz cartel.
You see, anywhere we go in our life, a New York we are going to represent. Upstate at that. So watch out now, Rochester.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. Boy, never mind him, bumbo clad business. Rev out your life like so. Dance and we shot you, we tell him where the weed is. You lots don't speak with it like Wiggles. Son of AK sing like Leroy Sibbles. What? This man from 50s or 40s. Them man they bring rifle go to the parties. First them production.
See, anytime my friend them want herbs, I meet them calling up. I'ma pull up in the car and tell them this, you know why?
We sell drugs like the pharmacy. Need good and syringe like the pharmacy. Check the real pharmacist, Mr. Pharmacy. No prescription, you're not see. And New York, we sell drugs like the pharmacy. Need good and syringe like the pharmacy. Check the real pharmacist, Mr. Pharmacy. No prescription, you're not see. Call me sell nickel mark, dime bag, half out one.
Me no wanna boring
ladies,
me no wanna
boring. All the time now. All I know is them like chat. No one soon get active. Whether you get ready to go out there, day in your car, I want to see you bend over real quick and do all the pussy for me like this.
Your pussy have to physically fit.
Yeah.
Broke me cocky like dry magastic. Enough girl flap for your fit. Enough of them pop down when time me tell.
I said the other day, we are drive out to Florida. We left out from Buffalo. And you see, when we are drive to Buffalo, the police pulled me over and walk now.
Me a driving from jail with a phone at the man.
Police pulled me over when we are going to Buffalo. He smell the herbs and say, yo, step out of the car. He said, step out of the car right now, youth. Me tell him, say, guess what? Me a step out of the car, but me nah dash where that split here.
Squaddy me not stop on my ganja. So come put on the hand of them. Remember me must get bail. Girl me go jail and in the I get safe.
So what you know?
Officer, allow me with the ganja. Mr. Officer, a gun you fi look for. Mr. Officer, no harass the Gaza. Mr. Officer, me remember.
Before sleep when me a bun when round me a 10. Me no feel light it again, I want it again. It's like a banana player reading in my head. He made the place get dizzy and me I read.
Instantly me hungry no blood clot.
Me have to fuck up some crackers and a